everybody, this your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. Yo, first, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch everything: vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. If you're doing all those things, you are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel. And because of you, yo girl keep posting. Today, Bath and Body Works, 40% off everything. Today is a really good day to get any of those items that never ever go on sale. Example, high price candle holders, high price wallflower plugs. Those are the items you should be chasing today. Yes, they might be on sale for semi-annual sale, but you're going to take a chance on trying to find those. As far as body care, I will pass on all of that body care because y'all know body care day is coming soon. Wallflowers, nobody should be chasing wallflowers. They just had a sale. So candle day is coming, so you shouldn't be getting any candles unless you see something that you haven't seen, then maybe. So I'm getting ready to go in this store. I'm actually going to buy that Eiffel Tower. All of the stores in my area is completely sold out. I've been calling around and this is the only store that has them. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna grab that. And I believe that's the only thing I'm gonna get. I want to grab that candle holder, that little marble candle holder with the black things. I already have one, but I really need two. So I want to grab that, but this store don't have any. So we're going to see. So let's head on into the store. It looked like people is walking out with huge bags. So I'm not sure. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So let's head in. Cyber Monday.
We want everyone to give love this Christmas and shop safely, so please.
I couldn't believe how many people was grabbing candles as well as wallflower refills, body care. I was just in shock the whole time I was in the store, y'all. I was completely shocked. But I'm assuming a lot of people don't know about the Candle Day sale. So I didn't say nothing, even though I wanted to, but I didn't say anything. Okay, y'all, I got all of my items that I wanted to get for 40% off. Y'all, oh my God. I just wanted to scream at everybody and say, why are y'all buying these $15 candles? Oh my God. That was the hardest thing ever. The hardest thing ever. And when I tell y'all, people inside the store is loading up on candles. I just wanted to scream and say, Candle Day is this weekend. The candles will be around $10. Oh, that was the hardest thing ever. I told one person, and she did put her candles back. She didn't know anything about Candle Day. That is so surprising to me. I just wanted to scream, y'all. Oh, I was screaming inside. I really, literally was screaming inside like, oh my God, y'all, don't buy these candles. My hand's super ashy. But it took everything in me to say nothing. Oh my God, that was the hardest thing ever. So, let me see. What did I buy? I ended up grabbing the Eiffel Tower because I've been on a hunt for this thing. I decided to go ahead and grab the last two they had. As y'all did know, I did tell y'all that I did want to get another one of these. Like I said, everybody's completely sold out in my area. This was the only store that had them. So I grabbed these. I actually told them to put them on hold. And then I told y'all I wanted to get another one of these because I need it for my other candle warmer. So I did grab another one of these. I feel like this should be $16.50. I feel like we should be able to use a reward to get this because there's nothing to it. I think the other thing is way better. This one just has this little one piece of marble on it, and that's it. For this to be $18.95, I feel like they're getting us. But what I do like is it flips. You know, you can have your candle sitting kind of low, or you can have it sitting up kind of high. So I really needed this one. And then something else that I've been looking at for months, and I decided to just go ahead and grab it since it was 40% off. This, y'all. I've been wanting this for a while. When they first came out with it, I really wanted it. And I think this one was $20, $21. That wasn't bad. And I did not use any coupons because I'm saving my coupons for Candle Day. So I just paid the discount price that it was. But I really wanted this. I don't have no candle to put in it because I ain't buying no candles. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to all of y'all people that's going out here and buying candles on this 40% off sale. Shout out to y'all. I'm just saying, I'm not doing it. But yeah, this was the last thing I got. Those were the only items that I decided to grab on this 40% sale. Some things that I was actually looking for. I'm so happy to get it. I ended up spending like $60, which I really didn't want to spend that much. But I feel like I got items that I really wanted. And I got items that never ever go on sale. When shopping this sale, that's the key to this 40% sale. Don't fall for the trick. Don't fall for the banana in the tailpipe or whatever the saying is. Don't fall for that. Always go for the items that never ever go on sale. These high dollar plug-ins, these things never go on sale. So now is the time to grab things like this. These high dollar, these candle holders, period, never go on sale. So grab things like this where you feel like you're not getting ganked or tricked. You know, because this stuff never goes on sale. Those, I seen a couple of people grabbing like those gift bags, those backpack gift bags, or those little purse gift, I don't know what they are, but the ones that look like little purses or backpacks or whatever, I seen a couple of people grabbing those, which are really good things to grab because those things never go on sale as well. But I just can't believe it. I can't believe how many people is walking out with big bags of candles. I cannot believe it, y'all. I can't believe it. But now I gotta head over here to Kohl's because I did place a Black Friday order and I have not picked it up yet, and I need to go and grab that order. So I'll be back. Okay, yeah, I just picked up one of my items from Kohl's. I know the sun is beaming this way, sorry about that. But I had to go to 2 different Kohl's. I think I'm gonna grab my other stuff when I get off work because it's actually getting a little late and I gotta go back to work. But man, they be wrapping them. But this was the only store that had this flannel weather candle by Sonoma. Hopefully y'all can see that. By Sonoma. Oh my god, I could already smell it and it ain't even open. This is good. I do not know the scent notes, but I think I got this for like $7. Regular price is $15.99. I really wanted this. Is the scent notes on the front? It just says smoky fur leather. If y'all could see that on the front. But to me, I really get like a, most definitely that tree, that green note. I don't really smell a lot of smoke in this, but it do come off a little leather-like. So we shall see. This was the only store in my area that had this candle, and I thought I didn't order this candle until I got the email stating the thing. Well, once I checked my order and I seen that I ordered this one, so I'm happy to get it. So yes, Then I guess later on I'll go and pick up the rest of my candles. But I figured since I was out this way, I might as well grab this one so I don't have to come all the way back out here, because this store is a little ways from me. So yeah, this was the only thing I got from this one. Okay. Now we're gonna head to the other store, or I'm gonna do that when I get off work. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm on my way back to work, and I just really wanted to come in real quick and show y'all what I did. My co-worker gave me some coupons today, and I was so excited, so happy. So I decided to make her a little gift, you know, just to show my appreciation, you know, because she didn't have to give me those coupons, but she did. So I made her a little gift, and I'm gonna give it to her when I go to work. She gave me 2 sets, even though she let this one expire. That sucks. I just knew I had a 20%, yeah, I just knew I did, but I don't. But I'm happy. This 20% coupon expired. This one is expired, so can't use that one. But she did give me the one with the free gift, as well as the 10 off of 40, you know, the one that comes like that. She gave me that one. I'm happy to have that. So yeah, I just wanted to come back in and tell y'all that real quick. I did not go pick up my Kohl's order yet. I'm gonna do that when I get off work, and then so I could just kind of wrap this video up and show y'all my haul as well. But right now, I know my lips probably look super crazy because the sun is like beaming. But whatever. So yeah, I'll show y'all my haul when I pick that order up. I might even do it in the car. I might do a car haul, or I might just wait until I get home to do that. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. It's probably gonna be a couple of seconds for y'all, but it's gonna be a couple of hours for me. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm back at home. I got, ooh, this thing heavy. I got my bag of candles. This is my, ooh, heavy. This is my candle day order. I showed y'all that first one that I got, which was flannel winter or something like that. But this is the other ones. Okay, I had to go get the candle. And of course, I just put lotion on my hands, so the candle is all greased up. Sorry. But this is the first candle I got. I just showed y'all that one, which is flannel weather. And the scent notes is smoky fur leather. Yes. This is one of those Sonoma candles, and I think this was like $7, I believe, on the Black Friday sale. I think it was when you spent $50, you got 15 in Kohl's cash. So that really made this stuff super cheap with that 15 cash back. So the next one I got is pecan shortbread, and I got 2 of these. Again, Black Friday sale, $7. And this is those layered ones. I really like when they do their candles like this. And the scent notes in this one is pecans, salt caramel, and butter. Smells so good. That's the reason why I got 2. And on my sipping chat, I can't remember, somebody did recommend these candles to me, so I decided to go ahead and try them. Yeah, they smell so good. So good. The next Sonoma candle I got was Mary Mocha Latte. Mary Mocha Latte. Yes. And y'all know I got this because of the coffee note in it. Coffee bean mocha cream. Yes, but I think this isn't going to be a very strong coffee scented candle, but we'll see. I do smell a little bit of the coffee. Yeah, so we'll see about this one. The next Sonoma candle I got was pomegranate and fig. Pomegranate and fig. And plum floral sandalwood. This is nice. This is actually really nice. So yeah, I can't wait to burn this one. And then the next few I got was the Scentworks. I actually already have this candle, and I already hauled it earlier. I bought my first one when I bought the candy corn. I bought candy corn and one of these, and I actually burned this the other day. I think it was like Saturday, and I really liked the creaminess of this candle. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna grab another one. So that's what I did. Your girl went on and grabbed another one, and this is sweet buttercream, dark rum, nutmeg, and raisins. Yes, I most definitely get that buttercream, that sweet buttercream. So good, y'all. This candle is amazing. I really like it, and it really throws really nice in here. I don't think that this is gonna be like a room filler for a bigger room. I think this is really good in this small room. So that tells me in a bigger room it's gonna be a low throw, but in this room is more of a medium high. And this room is just like 10 by 11, so it's not big at all. So this one does really good in this room. The thing that made me place any order, y'all, the candle that made me say, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place an order, is this candle. I really wanted this vanilla pine candle. I really wanted it. And so that's the reason why I placed this order. Pine needle, spruce vanilla sugar, fresh balsam, winter woods. That's the scent notes in it, but smelling it, it smells very light. Or maybe I just smelled too many candles. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see what this one do. And my last and final candle I got is iced vanilla frosting. Love this packaging, is so cute. Oh my gosh. Beautiful packaging. It smells like vanilla frosting. Wow. Creamy vanilla, cool peppermint, sugar crystals, and whipped buttercream frosting. It smells like that whipped buttercream frosting. Peppermint, I don't smell no peppermint. I just smell vanilla and frosting. No peppermint. But that's it. That's all I got. Yes, this was all the candles I got. Like I said, I spent, I think, $50 plus got 15 back. Super good deal. So leave in the comments, let me know, did you participate in this Black Friday sale? If you did, leave what you got in the comment area. Let me know which Scentworks candle did you get, because I know everybody been running for these candles with this sale. I know it was a really good sale, and I know I told you I wasn't gonna shop, but I decided to go ahead and grab some of these candles because I thought it was a super good deal. So yeah, plus you can't even use coupons on Scentworks anymore until they go on clearance. Once they go on clearance, I think you could use coupons then. I'm not for sure, but I think what I'm going to use my Kohl's cash for is probably another candle, maybe. So we shall see. So like I said, don't forget to thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell. I know I got a lot. And then I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.